Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Ancestral Supplements Grass-Fed Bone Marrow, Whole Bone Extract, Bone Marrow Cartilage Collagen. See other ingredients. She decided to try the brain, and literally within the first 2 days of taking it she was a different person. Sold after taking 1 cap twice a day. Within a week it was much easier for me to get out of bed in the morning. Last night took a single bone marrow before going to bed, in addition to the 3 supplements, 1 of each taken with my lunch. When the majority of the major important parts are worn or damaged, at least you can trade the vehicle in for something new. No eyebrow or head hair growth yet, but very hopeful. But then again, there might be a few fine hairs, but not sure. Other things that have helped: 32 ounces of celery juice first thing in the morning, and living a very healthy lifestyle for a long time. Sauna, no alcohol, try to reduce stress. Happier, healthier, weight has normalized, more energy, slight improvement to eyesight. My prescription: improved skin looks better, hair looks healthier, nails are growing like crazy, no more liver pain, shoulder pain has decreased, and my blood pressure is always in the normal range. Since the 3 curves, scoliosis, spine is a spiral shape, there were also front to back curves. My right hip was rotated backwards as well as tilted down, and my neck heavily leaned forward and left. The curves displaced both of my shoulders, with the right shoulder lower than the left, to the point that the right arm was rotated. Physical dysfunction has a way of bleeding through into spiritual defeat, which in turn demotivates one from repairing the physical problems. In the beginning my right leg was severely displaced by the tilted hip, with a dysfunctional knee, a twisted ankle, and a flat, poorly angled foot. The flesh of my torso is being pulled at every day, turning red, and has to be repaired quickly so that one day's discomforts are not carried over to the next. For people with joint problems, the Ancestral Supplements beef tallow, whenever it is available, would help as well, since it contains cetyl myristoyate. Life is very fast and challenging until the end, but people could definitely be better propped up than they currently are. There is no doubt about that. My mom had her CEA test done before her colon surgery, and her CEA result was 16. Normal should be 3 or less. After she finished 1.5 bottles of the bone marrow supplements, she went back to City of Hope Hospital to have her CEA test again, and the results came back normal. There is a lot of great information on their website about how to improve your life and well-being in ways that go beyond diet. Don't think he mentioned you, but it doesn't take long online for people that think alike to find each other. I've been seeking the truths of optimal human nutrition since discovering its astonishing power and influence on our quality of life. Imagine a grin of approval coming across a face you've never met as he reads Weston Price Foundation referenced on your website. It turned out that on one of my valves, instead of having the normal 2 beats, big one and little one, was only showing 1 big beat, with the second smaller beat not appearing at all. Really loving the product so far, and very much appreciate their website, as it's full of concise but insightful information on ancestral living and how to live a healthy life. Sourced from pristine New Zealand, they draw on the thinking and substance of a truly ancestral way of living and health. Maybe if you are in your 20s your body may respond, heal much faster, but that time is way back in my rear view mirror. Dad, hasn't he really been hungry? So your beef liver and bone marrow supplements are some of his main sources of nutrition now. The beef organs went along with the bone marrow for provided nutrition and the maintained saying that you are what you eat, with the known fact that a good portion of the population don't get enough of certain items in their diet. If you look at Ancestral Supplements website and read what they recommend as far as lifestyle, sleep hygiene, local and seasonal food, cold exposure, etc., it was likely easier for me to progress to 6 capsules of beef organs, bone marrow, and living collagen very easily. He really takes care of people and provides a top-notch product for which there is a massive need in today's modern world. Within hours after taking it, my skin feels softer, my mind feels more peaceful and clear, and body feels more integrated together. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.